Hello viewers, welcome to this channel once again. In today's video I'm going to show us how to tackle a very common Photoshop error we always face. So before we begin, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel and also share the video. You can also like and comment as well when needed. Okay, so without wasting much time, I'll launch my app. Okay, so the error I'm talking about is whenever you try importing in some pictures, you normally face, sometimes, not always, okay, some JPEG pictures have lost their encoding, so it may have a corrupt format and you cannot use it in Photoshop. So I'm going to try one picture I have on the desktop. I'll try and import this picture here. It was on my phone and I'm trying to import it to the computer. So I'll click on file, open. Okay, then I will select this, a picture, so I'll double click to. So this is the warning I get on my screen: could not complete your request because of a SOFN DQ3 DHT JPEG marker is missing for a JPEG SOS marker. A long message. Okay, so normally we confuse ourselves or we have problem tackling this question. So this is one way we can deal whenever we face this problem. I think this problem basically deals with only the CSS users, those using the advanced ones. I don't know, I don't think you face such things. So I'll hide my app for now. So I'll launch the Paint application. No, I'll rather do it this way. I wanted to launch it and import the picture in, but let me close it. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll come to the picture here. Okay, I'll use the Paint application. Every computer has it, every Windows computer. I think the Mac computers as well. So I'll right click on it, then come to edit and just click on it. So it opens the picture in the Paint application. In that one, they didn't give us any error message, just opens it up, right? So I'll just come to file, save as. So I have two options here: the PNG picture and the JPEG picture. So if this was to be a picture that the background has already been removed, I'll save it as PNG. But normally after this error comes in, even if you save it as a PNG, it will automatically have a background again because of that error that we faced. Okay, so I'll save it as a JPEG file for now. So click on JPEG. Okay, then I choose a location. Let me choose a new name for it, so that let me make it new so that we differentiate it from the old one. Then click on save. I'll close the Paint application. So this is the old one, this is the new one. The old one couldn't open. Now let's try opening the new one. So the same process: file, open, and I'll come and double click on the new one here, and we see it has popped up right up. Yes, so this is one way we can deal with importing of problems we face when importing pictures. So anytime we face this problem, you just right click on the Paint application, right click on the picture, edit, save it as a new file again, then you come back right up. Thank you for watching today's video to the end. God willing, next time we meet, I have a lot for you. Thank you again, and bye bye.